YouTube channel. Calling Whalen.
Yep, it's early. We are here bright and early Saturday morning for Saturday, August 3rd retirement auction for Don Young. We just got some tape here put up. There's our wonderful sign. We get here in these country back roads because we try to beat the traffic. Looks like Brad's got the trailer all set up, ready to go. Things are down, right, Brad?
That's right.
And got it here. Now we're gonna start tagging the sale. Yes, we waited till today. A lot of times we do this days in advance. We got over 2 inches of rain last night, strong thunderstorm. So instead of waking up in the morning, coming to the auction, seeing tags everywhere, we wait and we do it now. They're Tyvek, so they should hold up. Brad's even got the board set up. That's all the upcoming auctions. And not only that, but people can also come right up, scan a code. Sandy's here. So we got to move our thing. Sandy got donuts. Smile. Well, we bottomed out. It's all right. It's not our trailer. When you take a trailer across down an incline, this is what can happen. So I guess now we're going to have to do a little landscape here for the homeowner. Oh, man. It's too much work. That could take like 2 minutes. How about a quick walkthrough before we get started today? So we are going to be starting right here, lot number 1. It's going to be a white 235. A lot of people know me. I'm a tractor nut, but I really think white made a marketing mistake when they first came out by painting their tractors gray. Just opinion. They probably would have, I think they would have sold more tractors if they would have said purple, painted it purple, you know, like the purple tractor. What is it? It's purple. Just an idea. It didn't have to be purple, but just maybe paint white. But we don't want a white tractor in the field because that just wouldn't be appropriate. We understand it was white White was a company before it started making tractors, so they bought out different companies and they formed out the white, but then they painted them gray. I think they missed something there. Just saying, off track. Massey Ferguson right here. Here's a combine 8570 four-wheel drive. And we're gonna go right through here with the topper and come right down. Hey, there's a white plow, and they painted that one red. John Deere, most of you all know it's green. We're familiarized with it as green. However, years ago they had some plows, they actually had some red paint on some of their stuff, but yeah, and International to be red, but actually International was gray before it was red. So 1935. So here is a right down through here field cultivator. We're going to come right around right here with the topper. Okay. Now Sandy's all set up, ready for the big day. Now we got to start nutrition. You always have to be hydrated, and I usually start the morning with a nice energy bar, something that's more health food related. And is that one right there. Guys, reach in, grab. I'm not carb, sugar. Topper, and then we have a homemade step. So a lot of things in what we use, they actually don't even make. You can get these custom made, like what we did here from, I'll give a little shout out to Country Custom. And that's where we ordered ours. It's been great for us, I must admit. We really enjoy it. So I got to get the step on. Bidders, we are ready to get started here, ladies and gentlemen. Lot number one, we have a white 2135. A white 2135. $3,300 on about the now four. Somebody get $3,400. Now five. Somebody get $35 on about the now $3,600 on about the now. Somebody get $36 now seven. Hit $3,700 on it. $37 on about the now eight. Somebody get $3,800 on about the now nine. Hit $3,900 on about the now four. Somebody get $4,000 on about the now one. Hit $4,100 on it. $41 on about the now two. Somebody get $42.3. Hit $4,300 on it. $4,300 on about the now. Somebody get $4,300. And sold the tractor for $4,200 bid by number 16. Now 25. Now 25. And sold it here on the floor for $2,400 bid. What about here? Bidder number 100. And sold it on the internet for $1,100. Well, we are getting ready to leave. I'll be here tomorrow, but the internet helped out today with the combine, and head is going to Pennsylvania. We have down here a planter that's going to Maryland. At least that's where the registered bidder is from. So yeah, now we got to go back, unload the topper for today, because I need to take the telehandler next week to the other sale, and it's Saturday, and it's already almost 2 o'clock, so it's going to be another late night. Then, so it's 7 days a week. Yeah, so at some point I'll get to see my family, and but yeah, so if anybody was trying to get a hold of me last month, that's vacation. But now it's time to work. Stick around. One of the favorite things that I like doing is running equipment, and I actually look forward to loadouts. Gotta pay attention to what you're doing. Well, all loaded up. Cody from Har Brothers right there, the legendary. If you want to see that tractor, you got to go over to his place over on Route 20. They got all kinds of tractors and equipment for sale, so it looks like it's not going far, but we got them duals up there set for him. So if you want Cody's autograph, go over to his place. Look at harbrothers.com. Try to search them there, Gibsonburg. They got a whole line of equipment over there for sale.